Good morning, Manga Kalasa. Today is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice for His glory and grace. We thank you, Lord, for this wonderful morning that you gave us, and we thank you for our strength every day in life. Thank you also for all the blessing. Forgive us our sin, O Lord. Manga Kalasa, as you can see today, we will do continuations of the installing of formworks per second floor column at grid number 5 and 6, and then remove formworks from partials poured column at grid number 7. Placing of tie rod at formworks. Today is our 79 days of progress development of our construction project. Please watch until the end of my video, Manga Kalasa. Don't forget to follow, to subscribe, to share, to click, pick, and to hit the notification bell to always be updated in my daily uploaded videos. This is Mr. Serg's Manga Kalasa T. As we can see, Manga Kalasa, our workers will be able to do the schedule of partial concrete pouring column at grid 5B, 5C, and 5D, and some of our workers will be installed stirrups on steel column. Selfie time again, Manga Kalasa. Just look at our workers, they're all busy. Our foreman also is busy to look and staring at me. It's just joking. Now, Manga Kalasa, as you can see, we're going to install GI pipe we used as our scaffolding to reach the high level part of the column, and also we install tie rod to fix the formworks and avoid movement every time we pour it.
Mr. Serg's _Kalasa TV.